In this guide, I'll show you how to get a command block in Minecraft. So there's two main ways you can do this. The first way being starting a new world. So I'm going to go to create a new world, and you want to ensure that allow commands is toggled on. Everything else doesn't necessarily matter. I'm just going to turn it on to creative though, and then I'm going to select create new world. Now, if you didn't want to create a new world, there is a way you can do this. So what you want to do is press escape on your keyboard, and from here you want to select open to LAN. Do bear in mind, if you allow commands on your world and then you start a LAN world, you won't be able to turn this off anymore. So if you want to allow the commands and turn them on, go to start LAN world and you'll have the commands. So once you've turned on commands, what you want to do is press the / key on your keyboard and you'll see the command prompt in the bottom left corner. Then what you want to do is type in give space at s for self and then space. And then you want to begin typing in command, and you'll see it says command underscore block, and that's what you want to type in. Then all you have to do is simply press enter. Now you'll see I have a command block that's in my inventory in the hotbar, and all you have to do is simply place it, and then you'll have access to it. So to interact with it, you just want to press right, and you'll see all of these different console commands that you can now use. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.